What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the Alfawise V5 true wireless headphones. On GearBest, these things have a 4.5 star rating and they're only 25 bucks. Apparently they have a flash sale going on for the next 5 days as of shooting this video. Now they're running off of Bluetooth 5.0. They can be used separately, so you can use just one, either or both at the same time. Oh, those are tiny. All right, look at that. All right, so we got a couple ear wings or ear flaps, whatever you call those, and you got 2 extra sets of ear cups. I think this is an adapter to where you can actually just charge up a single earbud using a USB port. That's kind of cool. And then you've got a small USB to micro USB adapter so you can charge up the case. Now each earbud has a 60 milliamp hour battery, which gives you about 6 hours of work time, so that's pretty good actually for some true wireless earbuds. The case has a 500 milliamp hour battery in it, and it'll charge up the earbuds 4 times. So it'll last you all day. Also, these are IPX5 rated. IPX5, I believe, it'll withstand water jet spray from any direction, so you won't have to worry about sweat or rain, or if you feel like crying, you won't have to worry about that. But there we go, that little tiny white case. I like the design, very simple. On the outside, you've got a micro USB port for charging the case, and that is it. And you got a clear top, pop that open. You've got your battery indicator light right there. Oh good, we got a full charge, nice. Oh, there we go, they lit up. That looks cool. There we go. Whoa, I just heard it turn on. What? What? I didn't hear you. Crap. They do have an auto pairing mode and then auto off mode. Once you have it paired up to your phone and you put them away, it'll automatically turn off. Once you take them out, it'll automatically turn back on and repair up to your phone. So you don't have to keep doing that over and over. These are pretty small. I like the design of them. They're very simple. You got a single press button and I believe that's touch. You can answer, hang up, redial. You can wake up Siri for iOS, power on and off, play and pause, volume up and down by double clicking, and next and previous track by triple clicking. Now on the back side, you can see it's got the connection point right there for charging, and then they're also indicated on the back right and left. On the front, they both have a microphone. So again, you can use either one when making a phone call, which is great, and we're definitely gonna test that. Ooh, that is an easy fit. They stick out a little more than I'd like, but nonetheless, they're pretty sharp looking. It's good. They're nice and comfortable. They're very lightweight. Like, I don't know if it's because of that extra wing that holds on right there, but you can see they've even got a little bit of play in it. There we go, the V5. Yeah, I was completely wrong. They are not touch. I'm sitting here tapping it, nothing's happening. They're press. It is a press. Got a nice little click. Okay, let's try that again. Wow, 25 bucks. That's pretty good. All right, let's do something with a little more oomph. All right, I'm gonna try just one by itself. Take the right one away. There you go, left is working. Let's try just the right. Interesting. Okay. Okay, so they do work independently of each other, but there are 2 V5s. Okay, so this one's in the case, this one's connected. When you pull it out, it'll immediately connect to each other. But for some weird reason, when I only had this one connected and then I pulled this up, it said connected, but it didn't make a sound. So I had to put this one back in the case and then bring it back to pair them together like that. So they do pair together, just for some weird reason. It needs like a little push for the left to reconnect to the right. Kind of odd, but it works. Let's go old school with the bass boosted. Can they handle the low rumble of the bass boosted? Not bad. Okay, so the bass is not like very overpowering, but considering it's bass boosted and this song has very low bass, it's picking up the low bass pretty well. I can hear it nice and clearly. It's not like extreme bass though. It sounds really good. I will say though, it doesn't get really loud. And I'm playing it at max volume. It's not ear piercing. It sounds nice and comfortable to listen to, but I would like to be able to just crank it up just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Let's do a little good mythical, check latency. Rhett and Link are coming in nice and clear. I'm not noticing any kind of latency. I'm gonna do a distance check though. right, so I got about 46, 47 feet, and then it started cutting out. Now keep in mind, it's not an open environment, so if it was an open environment, you'd probably get a lot better distance, better connection, but it's supposed to give you about 33 feet or 10 meters, so it actually exceeds that. So not bad. Let's make a phone call. Okay, so they're both ringing, which is awesome. I'm gonna try just the left one. All right, so we got the right one charging. This is still ringing. Okay, and the right one is working. But again, it's got that weird connection thing when you go from one to the other. It's kind of weird. Either way. What's up, girl? How you doing? Hey, I'm testing out some earbuds. Can you hear me clearly? Yeah? You sound really clear too. Man, these are actually pretty good. 25 bucks. Can you tell that I'm on headphones though? No, it's that clear. Okay, cool. Okay, there we go. She actually said she couldn't even tell that I was on something. It sounded like I was just talking on the phone. That's how clear it was. So, good microphone. I gotta say, I'm actually pretty impressed for 25 bucks. I would say the only thing that I would change with these is maybe 5 to 10% more volume. But overall, for 25 bucks, these things are pretty good. Again, they have a flash sale going on. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. This one is 55% off for the next 4 days. So I'm sure they've got other ones, but I'll leave a link down below to where you can find their flash sale. They've always got deals going on over there, but there you go, 25 bucks. I think it's definitely worth 25 bucks for sure. That'd be an awesome gift. Gift that to somebody, they'll be best friends forever. But either way, guys, that is it. Again, links are down in the description below. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.